Okay, so for what you are doing for on your own, if you miss class, is you're dragging the steps in the correct order to solve the given expression. So the steps have already been written out for you. So now you're just putting them in the correct order as if you were to solve these. So if you have 23 plus parentheses 9 times 2 minus 6, you're looking at PEMDAS because you're solving it in the correct order, just like we did for the DMR. So you're looking for your P. PEMDAS stands for P stands for parentheses. I see them. So I'm going to be doing 9 times 2. And now put a check over that. Put a check over it. So I'm going to listen to my audios that tells me which one tells me I'm going to be multiplying 9 times 2. Add 23 plus 18 to get the expression of 41 minus 6. Well, that didn't tell me to do 9 times 2. Subtract 41 minus 6 to get the value of 35. That doesn't tell me to multiply 9 times 2. Multiply 9 times 2 to get the expression 23 plus 18 minus 6. Ding, 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 I have a winner. So my new expression that I'm going to be solving now is 23 plus 18 minus 6. So that's my first step, was to do 9 times 2. Now I'm looking to see, okay, in 23 plus 18 minus 6, what's my next step that I need to do? Well, that, I don't have any exponents. I'm going to put a check over the E because I don't have any of those. Multiplication, division, don't have any of those, okay? Now I'm going to look here and see, okay, well, I have 23 plus 18 minus 6. Well, addition and subtraction. Well, they're next to each other, so I must solve from left to right. So the one of the step that tells me to add 23 plus 18, add 23 plus 18, and I get 41 minus 6. So my new expression is 41 minus 6, and if I do 41 minus 6, I will get the answer or the value of 35. So if I were to have had to have solved this by myself, in those boxes, what is underlined is what we would have typed in. Okay, so that's on your own. That if you did not come to class today, that is what we did today.